Oh dear. It is windy out here today. Hopefully my camera's not picking up the wind too much, but bloody hell is it windy. I need new shoes. These shoes are farting whenever I walk. If you're hearing that, it's not me, okay? Need to try and find some sheltered place. I'm gonna go over here actually. It might be better. Try and find some place that's out of the wind. Because I'm pretty certain you can't actually hear me at the moment. Because it's so windy. Walk this way? Question mark? Yeah, I reckon if I try and find a seat or something in here, it might be okay. My arm's already aching. This camera's heavy. Also, I can't get the angle right at all. Whatever. I need a better stick to hold the camera on. I'm just using a basic tripod at the moment. There might be cutting grass noises, hopefully not. Let's go down here. Doop, doop, doop. Take a seat round here, I think. Oh, is there fishies? There might be fishies. I can show you fishies. Can you see that? So I don't scare away the fish by putting my foot next to the water. Probably. Don't know, you can see one fish randomly. There's more fish over there, but you can't really see. Oh, so I can't zoom in for some reason. Thank you, camera. Let's see if we can see some fishies. I see a pigeon. That's not as exciting though. You alright, pigeon? Pidge. Eon. Some duckies. Over the bridge. Hello duckies. Are you scared of me too? I think you're scared of me too. Why is everyone so scared of me? I'm zooming in onto your faces. Hello duckies. Okay, I'm still after fish. I must show fish within this video. Fish! You're swimming away from me, fishies. How dare you? Whatever. Don't like fish anyway. Fish! Fish. Nah, never mind. Okay, where are we gonna sit then? I'm thinking. I do a lot of thinking, but my thinking doesn't really work half the time. I'm thinking over here. Goodbye ducks, don't worry, I'm not trying to attack you. You get some annoying drunkards in here, late at night, attacking things. It's not late at night and I'm not drunk. Let's sit here. I don't know, it's been raining a lot. But the bench is wet. Can I find a dry spot? No. Dorothy? You're not dry. You're wet. Can I go over here? Is it less damp over here? This one has more of a tree protecting it. There's also more poo by the looks of it. No name tag on this one. Right now, let's perch at the end of this. I can do this without getting a soggy ass. Okay, I'm pretty certain I'm like soaking up all of the rain that was on this bench here, so I'm going to stand up and have a really soggy ass, but whatever. I have a really nasty cold, so I probably look like shit and sound like shit, but we'll roll with it anyway because I felt like just doing a random, rambly, chatty, vloggy type thing. Hopefully not too rambly, but this vlog is probably already like 3 minutes in, I haven't even said a word yet, so we're too busy trying to hunt the fishies and look for and try not to scare off the ducks, so I'm going to take a nice video of them. It's really loud in here today though. Yes, I'm talking about you birds. But anyway, yes, I have a nasty cold. It's slowly passing now, I think. I don't know, I got it like a good 4 days ago now. The cold only lasts like a week, right? Anyways, yeah, I just wanted this to be like some sort of I can't hold this camera at all. But I just wanted this to kind of be like a updatey type thing, and I can't speak with that stupid bird. Shut up. but yeah, so I kind of just wanted to do like a weird kind of updatey, chatty type thing. But as you very much know, that the games that I'm still playing on the channel obviously are Alan Wake, Harry Potter, Dark Alliance. They're dragging on my channel way too much. I kind of hope that they're over soon, especially Alan Wake. I mean, I think I'm about halfway through. I've just now completed episode 3 of that, and I know episode 3 was meant to be the longest, so I've probably still got like another 10 videos to go or something stupid. It's like that game is dragging on so much. I'm enjoying it, but it is dragging on. But can you even hear me over those birds? Hopefully you can. I tried recording this vlog last Thursday. That doesn't make any difference to you. On the 21st of September, Thursday. But yeah, I tried recording it then, but said it was just so windy you couldn't hear me at all. But I didn't have a cold then either, which would have been better. But yeah, so yeah, believe it or not, I did actually plan out this vlog, but I don't follow my plans. It ends up just being a random rambling mess that makes no sense. Oh dear. And the fresh air is killing my throat. It should help, right? But it's not. But yeah, so I really want those games to finish soon, like really soon. But obviously I finished Life is Strange episode 1. That was actually really good, a bit before the storm. Yeah, that was actually really good. I enjoyed that a lot actually. I'm looking forward to episode 2 of that, which should be coming out at the end of October, I believe. Looking forward to that. I'm enjoying playing as Chloe. That's good fun. I loved the first game. First game was really good. There was too many chopping of onions within that game though. I don't know, Mother was just always chopping onions in the kitchen, and it was always affecting my eyes. But and yeah, so Life is Strange episode 2 will be coming out October, look forward to that. Not like anyone's interested because no one actually watched the stupid game, but Journey Down chapter 3 has now came out. That came out on the 21st of August. I bought it, just haven't played it yet because of, say, cold. I don't want to be recording with a cold, maybe because of I don't really make much sense when I have a cold, and I haven't been in the best of moods recently either, so that probably wouldn't be great. And loads of pigeons, pigeon attack, pigeons versus ducks. Who will win? I don't know. I'm getting like stupidly close here by horrible eyes as always. But but yeah, so oh great. And now we have a lawnmower. Hello pigeons. Pigeons are coming towards me. I don't have any food, pigeons. Go away. I said go away, pigeons. Go away or I'll cough on you. fine. Don't go away. Hello. Go on then. Introduce yourself. Do a little dance. I mean, you can't really hear me properly at the moment anyway, so let's at least get some other kind of entertainment. Seriously, please shut up so I can finish the rest of this vlog before I die. Squiddle. Oh, fucking hell. There's a squirrel over there. Is it ending? I think it's ending. Yay! I don't even know where I got off, where I left off now. That took ages. I need to cough again though. Oh, I'm dying here. I can't get this angle right. I don't know. That would do. I'll look shit no matter what. But no, can't remember what I was going on about. Don't know. Oh yeah, Journey Down, Chapter 3. Can't say that I'll be playing that soon. Soon. Just once I get rid of this cold would be nice. And say not like anyone ever watched the first 2 games of that, but sure, I enjoyed them. And ugh, this is horrible. Oh. Sorry about that. There was just someone that I just hadn't spotted who I really did not want them to see me. I like really did not want them to see me at all. I was like, please don't look this way, please don't look this way. No, no, no. Oh dear. Do you ever get people like that? Just like, please do not see me, please do not see me. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, Journey chapter down 2, Journey Down Chapter 2, 3, whatever, 1 and 2. No one watched them, but I enjoy playing them. So I'm gonna play Chapter 3 on my channel anyway, and see how it goes. I mean, it's like 1 and 2 are like the worst viewed games on my channel. Dunno. Nah, that's not right. Downfall and Cafe Rain are the worst 2 games that I recorded on my channel, which really sucks because they're great games. Just no one watched them, which is really, really annoying. Seriously, go watch. So I just got attacked by a bit of tree. But go watch Cafe Rain and Downfall. You will not regret it. I mean, they're all my slightly older videos, so they're a bit terrible, but there's worse on my channel. And there's a red spider just walking around, not really sure what it's doing. I kind of feel sorry for this poor red spider. It's like it's trying to find its way into my leg, but there's a gap between the chair arm rest thing and my legs. It's just like, how do I get onto this person? You don't, and that's why. You okay, spider? Oh, it's slowly finding its way. It's not focusing. Focus on it. Hello. Yeah, I see ya. This is what life has become, just following random red spiders on a bench. Darn, you know you can make its way onto my leg. It's just there. You know you can. That's water. I probably look like a right idiot right now. I don't care. Okay, I'm bored of you now. But yeah, okay. Where I left off. So yeah, Journey Down Chapter 3. I'll finally get past that game. Okay. So that's me here on my channel. I want to play God, my throat. I want to play more horror games on my channel, because there seems to be a severe lack of horror games. Alan Wake does not count. I mean like true, proper horror games, because that's what I originally planned for my channel. It worked for the first year of YouTube. First year I played nothing but horror games, and then I kind of just diverted off, and I haven't really played many horror games since. I still need to play bloody Outlast on my channel. Need to get around to doing that. Well, Outlast 2, obviously. I played the first Outlast and Whistleblower. Again, old videos, so they are terrible. But I don't know. One day I'll get around to playing. This is like really close up to my face. But one day I shall get around to playing Outlast 2. I've heard it's not as good though as the first one, but I shall still play it anyway. One day, because it's like hiccups now. Just because if I had the choice out of Little Nightmares and Outlast, and I chose Little Nightmares because I was looking forward to that game for ages. And then I don't know, I played the Outlast 2 demo. It was good. It just wasn't very Outlasty, so that kind of persuaded me more so to go for the Little Nightmares instead. They then just never got around to buying Outlast 2. I'm not the one for like pirating games. I mean, I'm a pirate, but I don't like pirating things. I'm like Max from Life is Strange. Like if you watched it or played the game, it's like you had that pirate CD mixtape thing that she gave Chloe, but not one of the songs are pirated. That's like me, that is. But yeah, so more horror games on my channel, definitely. And definitely need to get that sorted out. But yes, I used to play I mean like pretty much every gaming channel at the time, like 4 years ago now. We all started out playing things like Outlast and not Outlast, Amnesia and stuff on the channel. Hi pigeons again. You've gained an extra feather. Who did you steal that feather off of? Yeah, I'm talking to you. That's definitely not your feather. Can't really see it very well, but there's a white feather on that pigeon. It does not belong to that pigeon. It's also sideways. But yeah. Yeah, so I started off with Amnesia, then things like Outlast, then other random horror games. Then I diverted off. What was the game that diverted me off? I think it's always sometimes monsters, which sound like which if you don't know what it is, sounds like it should be a horror game, but it's not. It's a RPG maker type style game. It's actually pretty good. I never completed it in the end. In fact, I think I only done like 3 videos of it. That's because of I watched a playthrough of it instead. I watched. I don't even know if he's still a thing. I don't know why I stopped watching him. But yeah, Lone Grey. Is he still a YouTuber? He's very small. We started roughly at the same time actually, but then he deleted his YouTube and then made a new one. He was like, why did you do that? Your channel was so good. But yeah, so I used to watch him constantly. Used to talk every now and then. It was pretty good. But yeah, they deleted the channel. I could never really get back into it again once I found his new channel. But it was still good. But yeah, so I watched him play. But yeah, I watched sorry, getting distracted. But yeah, I watched him play Almost Sometimes Monsters, and I just never completed the gameplay myself. But yeah, that's what diverted me off horror games. And then the channel just kind of went completely messed up after that, just playing anything. I don't know, I guess it kind of worked. More diverse, but not my intentions for the channel at all. I want to get back into my original kind of plan for the channel. I mean, obviously I'll keep with non-horror games, but I definitely want to bring more to the channel. What else? I don't know. my plan is to not cough anymore during this video. There can be so much cutting of me just coughing. I'm ill, guys. I'm dying. Slight over exaggeration. Shut up. But I don't know. I was planning on actually. The birds are annoying me. But this camera's getting closer and closer to my face again. It's because I can't actually see the viewfinder very well because I have a dead cat thing on top of my camera, wind protector thing. Not like it's probably doing anything. It's probably muffling out me more than the wind. But whatever. But yeah, so it's kind of covering up half of the viewfinder, so I can't actually see what the camera's pointing at. But whatever. Oh yeah, but I was actually thinking about introducing Guitar Hero videos every Saturday on my channel, just because of I like Guitar Hero. I haven't played it in ages because of I've lost the disc. Another reason why I decided against it. I tidied my room, somehow the disc just wasn't in its case. Really annoying. I can always buy a new game, so but yeah, I was planning on doing that. But to be fair, I was planning on streaming it, but my internet connection is so bad I cannot stream at all. Not even on the lowest settings of like 144p or anything like that. Anything stupid like that is just it's still laggy as hell. But yeah, so streaming was out of the window. So I was like, well, I could every Saturday I could upload like an hour or two of just me playing Guitar Hero. I'm not the best Guitar Hero player in the world, but I do enjoy it. I'm not terrible, I'm just not great. But it's also just another random way and excuse to put my type of music onto the channel. Which will annoy a hell of a lot of you, but I reckon, but there's also a lot of people who I know who are subscribed to me, hello, that also like my type of music, so that's good. More than I thought, to be honest. There's a lot of you that have cool taste in music. I approve. But yeah, so if you're interested, I can always just buy the game again, I don't mind. Because it'll be Guitar Hero Live, which is ironic in its name because of because of the don't see me. Don't see me. Seriously? That's twice now. Oh, great. Okay, but yeah, so then, but yeah, that was that plan, and I've got a soggy bump sitting on that. But lost track of what I was saying now. He was going to sit by me and say hello, you fucking creep. New place. Can't deal with him. Oh, where am I going? I liked that seat, but I can't sit with him around. He tried to get me back. He's a creep and I don't like him. Sure, I'll sit here. It's a bit windier here, but It's better than being next to him. He was just about to sit next to me as well. I don't know if you saw him in the camera. I was like, I'm going to stand up and walk away. Don't have time to explain to you about him, but just like ignore him, pretend I didn't even see him, and walk away. Better light in here, but I'd rather it not be better lighting because it just shows how puffy my face is. But I struck on what I was saying. Oh yeah, Guitar Hero Live. Yeah, I remember now. But yeah, so if you want me to actually play Guitar Hero on my channel, then sure. Let me let me know in the bloody hell. Oh dear. Let me know in the comments below. I get that sentence out eventually. Oh dear. But yeah, so I'd like to play Guitar Hero on my channel. I know I've spoken to one person about it and they seem like it'd be a good idea. But yeah, just let me know. Yeah. Sorry, I'm like really distracted now. But yeah. What else can I say on my channel, on this video that's been going on for way too long now? I don't know, so I've covered what games I'm playing at the moment, and they're dragging like crazy and we won't get them over and done with. Games coming up that I won't be playing, which isn't much to be honest. Playing the Monster Inside at the moment, and the amount of bloody people that said, oh, this video's short. Yes, I know it's short. I made it short for a reason. It's like, seriously, stop telling me how short the bloody videos are. I know they're short. Yes, I could have put more than one chapter in a video. Yes, I know that. But if you watch the first, sorry, I'm ranting here. But if you watch the first video, I did indeed say that no, even if the chapters are 10 hours long. If the chapter's 10 hours long, the video will be 10 hours long. If the chapter's 2 minutes long, the video will be 2 minutes long. And then the amount of people that have said, oh, this video's short, you could have put more than one chapter in it. It's like, yes, I know. But also, if you noticed that I have in fact been uploading 2 videos a day to make up for the fact that the Monster Inside videos are very short. I mean, the first day, when I got most of these comments about how short the video is, I mean, that's the longest video by far out of the entire game, which kind of dropped my confidence a bit for that game, but whatever. But I uploaded 2 videos. First one being 6 minutes of the 6 minutes for the Monster Inside, which is, say, like I said, it's the biggest video, longest video within that game series. But then alongside it, I also uploaded a 33-minute video of Alan Wake. Now normally you'd only get that 33 minutes of Alan Wake, you wouldn't get the other video. So stop your fucking whinging. I know you probably, like you lot who did comment, you're now probably feeling slightly offended here that I'm pointing you out but not pointing you out, not naming you. But you're probably thinking, oh, what a bitch. But seriously, I know, I can read numbers. I was the one who recorded and edited those videos. I know. Sorry, I just had to get that off my chest. But it was pissing me off. I wasn't having a good day anyway. But yeah, now that's out of the way. I put that at the end of this vlog because half people don't even make it to the end of my video, so it's fine. So people who were complaining about this video being too short, or also about those videos being too short, are also the same people who don't watch my longer videos. It's like, seriously, I cannot win. I mean, I upload like an hour and a half worth of Harry Potter videos. Simply because, like, if I'd done a 20-minute simply because if I'd done like a 20-minute video of Harry Potter, we'd get nowhere within the game. Which is fair enough. But those videos are way too long. No one watches them. I then upload a 6-minute video and I get complaints that they're too short. It's like, seriously? 33-minute videos, sure, Still no one watches them, but sure, fair enough. Whatever. That's a more reasonable time, I know. But come on. But yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. No. But yeah, it's more windy here. But I don't know. I've been doing my YouTube channel for like 4 years now. It's not getting anywhere. 4 years, and I have only just, literally last week, just made it to 300. 300 subscribers, really. It's not getting anywhere, I know. But I'm not the one who focuses on numbers, not that much, really. I mean, if I solely focused it, is that even a word? I don't know. If I solely focused on numbers, I would have gave up years ago. Like over 4 years ago. It was 4 years on the 14th of August that I uploaded my first video. I uploaded my first video August 14th, 2013. So it's now the 28th of September 2017. Yeah, so I've been doing it for a while. It cut out there, so I don't know where I last left off. But I have no idea. I just ranted about numbers, so yeah, it cut off halfway through. I have no idea where it left off. But whatever. Because I was just ranting about YouTube numbers and stuff. And hopefully it cut out before I started ranting about the Monster Inside videos. But yeah, so yes, I spent thousands of pounds since I've been doing YouTube, but say it's worth it, definitely worth it, because I have met so many lovely people, really truly lovely people whilst doing YouTube, and I would have never met them without posting a video. It's like, yeah, sure, my channel's not getting anywhere, I'm not getting any money from it. I never planned out to do YouTube to get money. It's not what I tend to do. I don't focus my life on money because I don't know, I've always been poor. I got brought up with a very, very poor family, so I just like never really focused on having the money because I've never had the money to begin with, type thing. That makes any sense. But yeah, so I just have to be very, very grateful just the fact that YouTube have brought me so many good friendships. I mean, it's like, seriously, that's all I can ask for. But I mean, it's like one person that I talk to on a daily basis, loads of other people who I talk to on a weekly basis, even if it's just a simple hi. It's very nice. But you know who you are, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you. But definitely kept me sane, that's for sure. About as sane as I can be. Rough days, I always turn to my YouTube friends, or friends that I found from YouTube. I don't class them as YouTube friends anymore because they are just friends, you know, online friends. But yeah, so I really want to try and like say yeah, 4 years now. Really want to try and get my channel actually off the ground. I mean, come on, at least hover a little bit off the ground. But come on, 4 bloody years. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and put in a lot of effort. I mean, recently I've been failing simply because of this cold, but even so, this week alone I've uploaded 2 videos a day, and that's with a cold. That was just pre-recorded videos, so I haven't recorded anything this week. I mean, it's a Thursday. This is the first video I've recorded, just because I could simply just sit down and record a vlog without there being any trouble, really, because no one really cares. But I've been told that they like my random rambles, so that's good, right? I'm just hoping the wind hasn't destroyed this vlog. I mean, say I have got like a fluffy thing on top of my camera here, on top of my mic, but whether it's doing anything or not, I have no idea. Is he? I don't know if he's still there or not. He probably is. He's probably lurking around somewhere, being a creep as always. But yeah. It's like I look at some channels, just to depress myself slightly. But It's like, oh, I know some people who started doing YouTube at the start of the year. Posted their first video back in like January or something, 2017, this year. And they've already got more subscribers than me. Some people have even got into the thousands already. I'm like, how? You're doing gaming videos just like me. How the hell have you got that many subscribers? I mean, 4 years, 300 subscribers. 9 months, thousands. It makes no sense. What am I doing wrong? I mean, sure, I go some periods of time where I don't post anything. I try my best not. I always try my best for that not to happen, but it's just sometimes, you know, life gets in the way. I do have a life, believe it or not. But sometimes I just can't upload. I mean, I try my best, but I just can't sometimes. But surely, I mean, I know some people, they post like 3 videos a week. Started in January. Already got thousands. Like, I don't know, just based on luck? I don't know, but whatever. I'll get there eventually, maybe. It's like I got asked, I still need to do a Q&A, but that Q&A video, which I mentioned back in like July now, but yeah, I still need to do that Q&A. I mean, I got asked a question. I was like, so what will you do when how would you celebrate when you get 1,000 subscribers? I was like, seriously, mate? How you made it to 300 then? Like, there's no, I don't think I'll ever make it to 1,000. But anyway, this has kind of gone downhill now, hasn't it? I don't know if there's anything else to say. This, believe it or not, this was meant to be a quick update video. It hasn't gone very quick. As always, it's kind of gone into a random rambly rant. I have no idea where it cut off before, so ooh, the sun's came out. Believe it or not, it was pissing it down earlier on. English weather. Yeah, no, I've done the usual updates of what games I'm planning to play, what games I currently am playing, although you should know that. I covered the basics, right? I don't know. But yeah, so, one thing, yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to do those Guitar Hero videos. It'd be like an hour of music every Saturday, probably. If that's a thing, if you want me to do that. So I'll be very interested in doing that. It'd be like, I'll make my own like little radio station or something. Like, and I'll have like radio every Saturday. That'd be quite cool, right? But other than that, I'd like to do a vlog each week. Whether I will or not, I have no idea, because I never have anything interesting to say. But I'd like to try and get a vlog out each week. Probably a Sunday thing. Like Monday to Friday have games. Saturday, if it's a thing, then it'd probably be Guitar Hero, which is still a game, but you know, it's a different type of game. And then Sunday will be a random vlog of me just rambling to the camera as always. Sounds good, right? Let me know what you think. I need a cough again, but I'm going to try and hold it, because it's making my throat really, really sore. But yeah. Let's just leave it here before I go on any further. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that thumbs up button, and I shall see you all in the next video. Cheerio! I'm sticking with that. I'm sticking with the cheerio. It's cheesy, and I like it. Cheerio.